Namaskar. In our busy life, it is very important to take out some minutes for our self care. A healthy skin is required, which is a reflection of good health. Today, let's find out how to get radiant skin with the power of vitamin rich face pack. I'm going to tell you how to nourish your skin with natural ingredients which are available in your own kitchen. These vitamin rich ingredients are not only good as food but also nourishing for your skin. Our first pack is banana and honey face pack. It is very simple yet effective. Take one ripe banana, a tablespoon of honey, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Mash the banana in a bowl, then blend in the honey and lemon juice. Apply this mixture on your face and leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Why banana and honey? Because bananas are powerhouse of vitamin A, vitamin B and vitamin E. They are deeply moisturizing and nourish your skin from within. Honey has antibacterial property, so it fights off acne causing bacteria to leave your skin clear and glowing. Next pack would be strawberry and yogurt face pack. Take few ripe strawberry, 1 tablespoon of plain yogurt and a teaspoon of honey. Mash these strawberries and blend it with yogurt and honey. Apply this refreshing mixture on your face and feel refreshing. Strawberries are packed with vitamin C, which helps rejuvenating your skin. This mask deeply hydrates and nourishes your skin. Yogurt has lactic acid, which gently exfoliates your skin to reveal a radiant complexion. Last pack is papaya and oatmeal face pack. Take a quarter of a ripe papaya, 2 tablespoons of oatmeal ground into a fine powder, and a teaspoon of honey for an added nourishment. Mash the papaya and mix it with oatmeal and honey. Apply this juicy paste on your face and let the enzymes and nutrients do their work. Papayas are rich in vitamin A, C and E. Oatmeal has a soothing property. It exfoliates and cleanses your skin, leaving it soft and supple. Today you have seen this vitamin-rich face pack, but you must also think about your general good health. And for that, you must also maintain a good lifestyle habits like eating well-balanced meal, getting enough sleep, exercise, and keeping your mind free from stress. With such a holistic lifestyle, your health would be perfect and the face would naturally be glowing. Namaskar.